Hey everyone, welcome back to ACT Math Quick Hits, where you can make one easy change. You don't have to spend any money, only takes you a little bit of time, and you can increase your math score on the ACT. There's the rundown of the math section of the ACT, and now let's get back into it. So for today, it gives us an arithmetic sequence. So it tells us the first five terms of an arithmetic sequence are 7, 21, 35, 49, 63. And then it gets into the arithmetic sequence notation. So it says t of n represents the nth term of the sequence. What is the value of t sub 25? So basically what this is just telling us is that arithmetic means it's linear. So we have a linear sequence here, or a linear equation, we could call it. And then we want to know what the 25th term is. Right, the notation kind of bogs you down. It gets a little tough with like the subscript notation there, but that's all it's really telling us. So we can use Desmos for this. Right, Desmos is a great tool on the math section of the ACT. So what we're going to do is we're going to want to add a table. So we go to this plus sign in the upper left, and we go down to table, and we start putting in our values. Right, so it told us that the first five terms. So I'm going to put in my inputs. At some point, Desmos will start doing it for me. There we go. However, my outputs I got to put in myself. So 7, 21, 35, 49, and 63. So maybe you can tell that this is going up by 14. But again, Desmos will give us the equation. We can just do this dots with a line through it is our regression equation, and then we can pick what we want. Well, we know it's linear because of that value going up by 14 each time. Notice down here, it doesn't really matter, but the R value for this is 1, which means it's a perfect fit for this set of data. So we have y equals 14x minus 7. So we want to know what the 25th term is. So when our input value or our x value is 25, then we want to know what our output value is. I know the question said n, but let's just stick with x's and y's, right? So just a little bit of scrolling. Yeah, we got to scroll pretty high here. Let me just zoom out, make it go a little bit quicker. Just keeping scrolling. There we go. So we see where they intersect. And again, if we click close to it, Desmos knows what we're trying to find. So it tells us at x is 25, our output is 343. So back to our test and find 343. Maybe there we go. Now we're ready to move on to the next one. All right, thanks for everyone for watching and listening today. I realize this isn't the most exciting stuff, but watching this, getting some Desmos hacks will definitely improve your math ACT score, which your future self will be happy with. So like and subscribe. Thanks, everyone.